What's up? My name's Mike Killen and I'm the founder of Bro-Cep Marketing, and this is totally my car, not my dad's, and I didn't borrow it or rent it or lease it. And this is my house, definitely not my mum and dad's, and I definitely didn't rent or lease this either. I super bought it, you can check. Bro! Yeah, it's just they're like super tight. I don't think I can wear these all day. They're really uncomfortable.
Yeah, I don't know, like all the top marketers are wearing this for some reason. They're all wearing really tight jeans. You look good, just keep going.
I was able to buy this house 48 hours after making $100,000, even though the house cost quite a bit more than that and the maths doesn't quite work out. Bro! I make $100,000 a day using simple marketing techniques that even morons like you could follow, and hacking YouTube. Now I make hundreds of thousands of dollars and all I do is chill out and check my emails. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. You caught me in my home gym working out and getting swole. This gym costs $50,000 per square foot, which I can afford with the simple marketing techniques I learned. Even though I never finished secondary school, I've got a DUI and I can't point to where Washington, D.C. is on the map. Ah, fuck. I used to be a drunk child toddler, partying all day and doing drugs. One day, my 80-year-old disabled mother told me that she had lost all her money in a pyramid scheme. I knew that I had to get to work. Using the Bro-Cep marketing system, I was able to generate hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales. Just look at these numbers on a spreadsheet. And now I make hundreds of thousands of dollars a week. And my dick definitely works. And if you're a chick, we've got a simple watered down version just for you. Bro! I speak at live events all around the world online with other males and guys and men because I only listen to the best marketers on the planet who also happen to be my friends and a bunch of dudes. Bro! I'm gonna teach you the simple Bro-Cep marketing system that has made me and all these pictures of people tens of millions of dollars. B is for bank. Making bank, hella bank. R is for revenue, that's another word for money. O is for opportunity, which means like who's got your money? Hyphen, that's the little line bit in the middle. And Sep for September, the best month for launching your product. Oops, looks like one of my speaking event ads just got called up for being a basic lineup of just dudes. So I've added a couple of female speakers onto the website. Happy now, SJ Dubs? See this clock? 50 grand. Telling you how expensive the stuff I've hired is a good way to show you how successful I am and get you to respect me. This watch is so expensive because it's made of such high quality material. The hands are so heavy that the batteries have to be replaced twice a day. Bro! Just listen to some of these glowing reviews from some of our previous customers. The Bro-Cep movement is about taking the best and brightest entrepreneurs like you and taking your money. The Bro-Cep movement is about taking the best and brightest entrepreneurs and copying what they're doing. The Bro-Cep movement is about taking the best and brightest entrepreneurs, copying what they do, and charging you money for it. If you wish you could run a business like Rice Cum or Jean Ralphio or Logan Paul, then Bro-Cep marketing is for you. What I'm going to teach you is the 6-step simple system for generating infinite sales. Bro! Here's another 5-star killer review from a single dad who made $50,000 in 1 week using our system. This is one of the best webcams I've ever owned. I've been wanting to get one of these for quite some time and never had the opportunity to do so. I'm so glad I was able to buy the C920 with the fantastic autofocus feature and awesome quality. Best of all, everyone else is already teaching this stuff or giving it away free on YouTube. Plus, it's not new or unique, so you know it's been tested and it's good. The only difference with ours? You have to pay for ours, son. Yes, our course that you're gonna buy is almost certainly based around a simple Facebook ads formula, affiliate marketing, and selling online courses. Wanna know how I made $100,000 in less than 24 hours? From selling online courses to people who admire entrepreneurs like this. And you know it works because I sold you the course. We're only offering this $289,247 course for $997 today, because scarcity makes you take action, bro. Bro! Click the button below to register for the free webinar and learn about how much money I make, how I started from humble beginnings so you can relate to me, despite having wealthy parents, a trust fund, and a string of failed businesses that went into administration. How, even though I'm super lazy, I get amazing results and hella bank with unpaid interns. How to get your dad's staff and house help to do lots of the work for you. The simple 3-step system to printing money on demand. And over 15 minutes of content stretched over 2 hours. Not just that, but we'll be offering $97,350 worth of bonuses if you sign up today. Do it today. Sign up today right now. Click the button below. I'm Mike Killen from Bro-Cep Marketing, and you should be making hella bank, bro.
Results are not typical. All content is purely for entertainment purposes only. Bro-Cep Marketing, the Bro Corporation, and its parent company, Trump Incorporated, take no responsibility for investments, purchases, sales, loss of revenue, or money lost before, during, or after purchases.
Ah, fuck.